This is how you watch Super Bowl in 2026. Now, if you have a traditional cable or satellite TV subscription, the easiest way to watch the Super Bowl is to tune in to your local NBC station. This also applies if you use a digital antenna. If you're looking for a Spanish language broadcast, the game will be available on Telemundo. Now, for streaming, the two most affordable options are NFL Plus and Peacock. NFL Plus costs $6.99 per month, and while the app itself can be downloaded on TVs and PCs to watch highlights or the NFL Network, the live Super Bowl broadcast is strictly restricted to mobile devices like phones and tablets. This means you cannot watch the live game on your TV or computer screen using NFL Plus. Peacock Premium costs $10.99 per month and does not have this restriction. It allows you to stream the live NBC broadcast of the game on smart TVs, gaming consoles, and web browsers, making it the most budget-friendly way to watch on a big screen. You can also watch the Super Bowl through several premium live TV streaming services, including YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, and DirecTV Stream, all of which carry NBC in most areas. Another option is Sling TV Blue, but it's important to note that it only carries NBC in select major cities, so you must confirm your location is covered before signing up. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.